Now question number F will be homework for you. You have to do it by yourself. That is, make abstract noun from the words given in the table. They are verbs or adjectives. From that you have to form abstract noun. That we have already done. So this will be homework for you. Okay. Now next. Next we are going to learn about noun case. Okay. What we are going to learn? We are going to learn about noun case. Now, we have already discussed types of noun. Now, this is kind of different. Noun case. Now, there are 3 types of noun case. How many types? 3 types. Okay. First one is nominative case. Second, objective case. And third, possessive case. Now, noun case is very easy, but you have to listen it carefully. Okay. Now, nominative case, objective case and possessive case are what are the types of noun case. Now, we will learn all this in detail. A noun can be nominative case if it is the subject of the verb. What if it is the subject of a verb? Now subject means what? The person who is doing the action. Okay, the action, the person who is performing the action. Okay, so that is what? Subject. Just for example, Raman played a game. Okay, now here if I am just for example, if in this example, if I am asking that which case is Raman, which case is Raman. Now here Raman is performing an action. Raman played a game. So Raman is performing action, right? So Raman will be which case? Now Raman will comes in nominative case. Which case? Nominative case, because here we are talking about subject who is performing an action, right? Subject of a verb who is performing an action. Now next, objective case. When we are talking about object of a verb, object of a verb. Okay. Now same example we will take. Raman played a game. Now in this example talking about game, so you will write which noun case for game. Now here for game we will write objective case. Why objective case? Here we are not talking about subject, we are talking about object. Now can you see the difference between 2 examples? In first example I was talking about Raman. Now Raman was performing action, so Raman was the subject, right? Here I am talking about game. Game is object, right? Not performing any action. So that is what? Objective case. Okay, when we are talking about object of a sentence, then that is objective case. And if we are talking about subject of a sentence, then that is nominative case. Okay. Now next is possessive case. Now possessive case is very simple. Okay, you have to see apostrophe S. Okay, apostrophe S. For example, Ritu's book is on the table. Now can you see apostrophe S? Right? In Ritu, can you see apostrophe S, that is Ritu's, right? So that case, whenever there is apostrophe S in word, okay, if in any word or any noun we can say, okay, if in any noun, then that case will be possessive case. Which case? Possessive case. Okay, so there are three cases of noun, that is nominative case when we are talking about subject, objective case when we are talking about object, and possessive case when there is apostrophe S in a noun. Okay.